Welcome to Andy's Garage. I'm Andy Phillips. Today we're going to be replacing the windshield wipers on this Nissan Quest. It's not a major project, but there's always people wanting to know how to do that. So for them, we're going to go ahead and cover that. Let's go ahead and get started. What you'll need to do this is you're going to need a 28-inch blade, which is for the driver's side, and then you're going to need this 18-inch blade, which is for the passenger side. So it's kind of a big difference, but those are the sizes that are used on this Nissan Quest here. So once you have these, and you can pick these up anywhere. I picked these particular ones up at Walmart. I think they were like $4.97 each. I'll put the price along the bottom. But I mean, you can get different brands from ranging from $2, $3 to all the way up to $19, $20. So depending on what you're looking for, personally, I just go for just the average ones here. At the end of the day, they're just windshield wipers. So we're going to go ahead now and swap those out. So I'll show you how to do that so we can put the new ones on. We're going to start by lifting up here and locking that into position. That way we have access here where we can rotate this blade and we can slide it off the arm. When you turn it here and where the arm connects, it loops around and you can rotate it backwards. And I'll get a shot here on the other side. There's a little clip. If you push it, you can then slide this arm right off. It comes right off, the new one will slide right on. And here it is right here. You can see the clip, and all you do is you push that down like that, and this will slide, the arm will slide right off, and this will come right out. As we push that, we're going to slide the blade down from the arm, and that hook on the arm is then it's going to slide out from underneath. So we're going to push this here and just slide it down to get it completely out. There you have it. And then it just slides right out. So basically you have this piece here. That hook slides off of it, and then you then slide it right in through that gap and pull it out like we just did. Now that we've removed this one here off the driver's side, we're going to head over to the passenger side, take that one off, and then we'll go ahead and put the new ones on. So what you're going to do is pretty much the same thing that we did on the driver's side. You're going to go ahead and lift this arm, so that way you hold it in place so it's not flopping around and hitting. And the exact same thing here is as you turn it this way, and I'll get a close-up, you'll see there's a clip on this one as well. And here it is right here. Basically, same thing. You just push that in to release that lock so you can slide it off the arm. So we're going to go ahead and push that in while pushing the blade down. And these blades have been on here a while, so it's a little bit tight. Just push it a little bit. You'll get it. And then just slide it down once you get it unclipped. There it is. Pull it out. Comes right out. All right, now that we have these off, we're going to still leave the arms up. We're going to grab the new blades, slide them on, test them, and then wrap this up. Here's the new blade here, the 28-inch blade for the driver's side. We're going to do that first. We're going to go ahead and take this clip here that the arm locks onto. We're going to go ahead and turn it this way. So that way we can insert the arm here with the hook, slide it around, and then lock it on right there. We'll bring the arm with this open side here. We'll slide it in like this. Pull this around. Slide this piece here under that hook. Slide it up until it clips. Rotate that and it's on. So the next thing you want to do after you put it on, just push down on it. There we go. Make sure it's nice and tight. It's locked on there properly. Make sure everything's secure. There we go. Now that that one's done, we can put that down. And then now we can move on to the passenger side, and we'll put the 18-inch blade on this side here and then wrap it up. And just like with the driver's side, we're going to go ahead, rotate that clip. We'll go ahead and slide this in. Bring it around, push it all the way up till it clips. Make sure it locked, which it did. We're good to go. Okay, well that pretty much wraps up this video on how to change out the windshield wipers on a Nissan Quest. These things now can head off to the trash where they belong. These things were junk, all dry rotted. But I hope this video helped you out. I hope it was informative. I hope that it was things that would help you out on your projects with your vehicle. Please send me any questions, any comments. I would love to hear from you. As always, I appreciate all the support, so please like the video, subscribe to this channel as I'm constantly posting videos each week, and I'll see you next time.